everyone! Okay, so I haven't done a video with my sisters for ages. I think the last time you guys saw them in my video, Angie was probably shorter than me. Now she's taller than me.
She's taller than everyone.
She's taller than everyone. And we got Rosie here, the sassy Rose. And then you guys know Pratisha, the beauty. So yeah, we have everybody here. And today, I am so excited, guys, because Halloween is almost here. And I feel like it's time for them to do a makeover, a transformation on me.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Because the last one, you guys loved it. They did the Evil Queen makeup on me. Mm-hmm. And I think you guys did a pretty bad job.
Looking back at it now, it does look bad. But at the time, we thought we did great. Yeah.
So they're going to be transforming me into one of my most popular looks that I've ever done. Can you guys guess? Okay, it's probably going to be the title. Okay, it might be in the title. But they're going to transform me into a Bratz doll today. So, I'm so excited because Spirit Halloween has sponsored this video. And I have been wanting to work with Spirit Halloween forever, guys, because all of my costumes, all of my props that I use for my Halloween video is always from Spirit Halloween. I have all of the stuff right here. Have you guys even seen my Bratz video?
Of course.
Yes, I don't know if you guys really watch it.
Picture.
Have you seen it yet?
I've seen it a lot. It was viral.
Yeah, and then Angie?
Of course.
Okay, alright. So there's two people I can trust today. Okay.
I'll keep you guys entertained.
Alright, let's go, guys.
Young, this is
whoa! So aggressive. Oh my god.
She's a baby mama.
Okay.
Somebody glue her eyebrows.
Okay, somebody get ready with the foundation.
I will try to glue her eyebrows down.
I don't have anything on.
Me. Guys, so we are doing the foundation.
What are you doing? I never talk
I'm
like
sorry.
that.
Okay, so we're starting by the eyebrows, and they're just like pasting it flat.
Mm-hmm.
And there's a lot of arms even behind me.
Why is Young brushing my brows?
You don't brush it, Young. You paste it flat. And
This
then
is
we
not
have
looking promising, guys. Rosie, you're spilling the powder all over me. Oh my god. She ruined my whole outfit.
Okay, we have a better outfit for her.
I look like a powdered donut.
In the best way possible.
By the way, guys, donut was like the only thing that I really craved during my pregnancy. Okay, so you're gonna do the face, and then who's gonna do like the details? Because you gotta have a steady hand.
I think we have more artistic sisters on the sides that would shine in that specific area. I'll just do the Evil Queen video. I did the foundation too.
Oh,
or
yeah?
was that somebody else? I think
It was
me.
you.
It was me, huh?
I remember you made fun of her
I feel like that
eyebrows.
was more planned out than this video. Though.
Yeah.
Because you guys are all busy, guys. They're super busy, and it was so hard for me to get them all together. Today, it's not like back in the time where everybody had a lot of time to film. So yeah, Rosie, she works in a restaurant, an Italian restaurant.
If you guys see me, make sure you guys leave a very big tip. I'm kidding.
No, she's not kidding.
She's not.
But yeah, guys, I mean, okay, the foundation is done. Alright, good thing I don't have good eyesight because all I see is like this blurry white blob over there. But I'm gonna trust you guys. So yeah, let's do the
eyes. I'm just gonna
Eyebrows.
move to the side now. I just failed my driver's license test twice in 2
She
weeks.
keeps on saying Selena Gomez failed 19 times.
She did.
So she has like no shame, guys.
I have my next test this week. So hopefully I will pass this one.
Like you and Angelina, you guys are like super inactive in social medias. They're kind of shy, like hidden, private people. So what have you been doing, Young? Cause
I've been engaged.
I've been engaged.
I've been engaged.
I've been engaged, guys. Can you believe that?
Yeah.
She found the perfect man on, you guys will never guess, Tinder.
I feel like everyone gets Tinder.
There's actually quality men on Tinder. Don't be afraid to like put a lot of color because Bratz doll is gonna be a lot of color. Did you guys even grow up with Bratz doll?
No.
I used to watch the
Oh.
movies.
I just want to say something about your nephew.
He's really cute.
Mm-hmm.
He always smiles and he likes when we tickle his belly.
Yeah, he's a really
He's
happy
chubby.
baby, guys.
He's very chubby.
He's really chubby. He's really well fed. And grandmas, both of grandmas love him so much. They're almost like, my time with Cairo. And then other grandmas like, my time with Cairo. So he gets passed around like a hot potato. Angie, guys, she is in high school now.
Yes.
And yeah, how is high school? Tell us about it, because you just started going.
High school, I had very low expectations, but now I have a ton of friends. They're so nice. But I hate PE.
Yeah.
You have to run. I was literally the last person
Me
on the
too.
track. I guess it runs in the family, guys. We're really terrible runners.
We're not that athletic.
What is this? This glitter palette. So I'm gonna use this shade on her eyelid.
Ooh.
I don't know how to contour.
What? How's the contour looking?
Okay.
Okay. Why'd you laugh like that? Whoa. I like it. It's looking just like the Bratz doll photo you showed me. Rosie is complaining that her special somebody hasn't
Promise
messaged her
is putting me
today.
on blast.
So if that special somebody's watching this video, please
God, I hope
message
not.
Rosie, okay?
You don't know me.
Oh,
I'm
is
not
mom and
Rose.
dad supposed to know because they're gonna be watching this video?
Dad, I have bad news for you. I'm kidding. Promise you can't put that in the video.
What do you guys think of Squid Game?
We haven't watched
We haven't watched it yet.
We're so behind, guys. But I already read all the plot and everything.
Oh, please don't spoil it.
I heard about the plot twist too. Somebody in the comments spoiled it.
I don't
Do you want
know
me to spoil
why.
it?
This is an unpopular opinion. I feel like people telling you that there's a plot twist is a spoiler.
Okay. I'm gonna do her lips now.
We're just going in for the lips,
Yeah.
guys. Oh my god. Are you sure you want to look at it first before?
I got it. Yeah,
I hope it looks good, Rosie.
You gotta make sure you contour the lips.
Trust me.
Do you trust Rosie?
No.
I trust myself. I have all the trust I need. It looks legit.
The shape of the lips is debatable.
Oh. Oh my god! What the heck? That looks really
That's
bad.
so
Looks like I had like a really bad lip injection. Rosie, this is not, the top is not even even.
She's ruining our look.
It looks
Yeah.
good from the side because
No, this is not tolerable.
when I look at it from the front, then it looks iffy.
Can you like fix it? You gotta
I
fix
think we
this.
gotta start.
This is coming
For
off.
some reason, every time I do something, it looks good from this angle. But when she looks at the mirror and I see it, it looks horrible.
I really love the color and the tinsel in there, see? And then it also has this little ponytail.
They have this really cute Bratz earrings. That's super cute.
Earrings and a
These are some
necklace. So these are all of the options of outfits that I have for the Bratz doll. I'm definitely gonna wear the jacket. And then this is like something I could wear inside. And then
a lot of
Rosie
shorts.
loves this. This is like a little furry backpack, and it has like a matching hat as well. The skirt right here, and then we have this one without the pleats. And there's some white as well, but I want to do all black. So we have the earrings on, and now let's put on the outfit. So I think, what do you guys think? I should wear on the jacket for
What
sure. I
should
like
we
the
do?
jacket.
I love the jacket. We have to keep
Yes.
the jacket and maybe the backpack. I love the backpack. Or maybe I get to keep the backpack.
Okay guys, so this is my full Bratz transformation done by my incredible sisters. I can't see anything right now because I'm really trying to make this look good. Yeah, you guys can rate them from 1 to 10. What do you guys think
4 and 11.
they did? So yeah, I think you guys definitely did a lot better than the last video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and let us know what you're gonna be this Halloween. You can even do this Bratz makeup look, because if my sisters can do it, anybody can do it. And happy Halloween. Bye.
Bye.